What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl B Michelle. You guys, I have a serious surprise for you guys. Are you guys excited? Okay, look, hold on. We're just gonna do this because I can't stand the glare on my glasses. Are you guys ready for this exciting surprise? Are you? Okay, well, I'ma just roll it for you guys so that y'all can see this exciting thing. Okay, so in 5, 4, 3, 2.
I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing next week the taste still drive me crazy.
Did y'all see it? It's cute, right? Drop a comment down below if y'all like my new intro, because I did it. Okay, anywho, I really just want to say I love my intro, y'all. Like, that intro is bomb. Like, no cap, it's bomb. But hold on, I need some more. Okay, so today, y'all, I just want to kind of inform my babies, the ones that are starting their YouTube channel, the ones that like just want to take some really good pictures and they're using a ring light. I'm gonna just show you guys some great ways to use your ring light.
At this point, y'all, I was ready to go. Like, I was trying to keep calm, but I was ready to go.
Okay, just make your skin look very pretty and, you know, glowing. You know, even if your skin's already glowing, it's just gonna look even better. Okay, so stay tuned for this video. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm gonna be dropping bangers. I'm gonna try and drop them every Friday for y'all. I don't have a set time on Friday, but it's just gonna be every Friday because Fridays are fun, right? We ain't got no class. Well, I have one class, but after that, I don't have any more classes. It's very relaxed, and it's like the day before the weekend, so who don't like Fridays? Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for new videos every Friday. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I'm posting, and let's just get into this video because that intro was just long enough. Okay. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna show you guys what my ring light looks like right now and what kind of tone it's in. It's in a very warm tone because it matches my warm kind of brown skin. I say kind of brown because, like, yeah, anywho, it matches my warm brown skin. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like and where I got mine from, and I'm probably gonna link it down below so that you guys can get the exact one, or you guys can find one that's even better than mine, because hey, we're all about growing and getting better over here. So if you find one that's better, drop a comment down below on where you got it and maybe the link as well, because that would help me, and I would definitely love to purchase it because I love mine, but I also want another one, or just a better one than the one I have, because I really use this one for pictures and not for videos. But anywho, it's just gonna work until I get another one. But let me go ahead and show this to you guys as I drop my glasses.
This one is off of Amazon, and it is very cool because it comes with this attachment already on there, so I don't have to find another thing, or I don't have to attach it on there every time I use it. It has this very nice adjustable stand that I love, and then also it has this little remote, I guess you could say, on it, where it will, this button turns it on and off, and this button just turns it, like, it dims it down, so it has a dimmer, and then it also has one that brightens it as well. And then here you go, this button right here, this button right here will change.
Alright, you guys, so like I said, the one that is on is like the warm kind of feel. You get what I'm saying? It's kind of warm. And if I click this button again, it's going to be the mix of the two, which is the warm and kind of like LED mix, I guess you could say. And it doesn't look too bad on my skin. I just wouldn't prefer it for me. I don't like it, I guess you could say. Personally, when I take pictures with this, I don't like the way it looks, because to me it kind of points out all of my imperfections with my skin. Not that I have many, but the ones that I've noticed, like in natural lighting, it just kind of magnifies those in this setting, so I really don't use it. Now when I'm recording my videos, maybe I'll use it every now and again if my face is super oily, but now if you're mixed, or like you have light skin, or you're not pale but white, then it would look very nice on your skin. That would be super great for y'all. And then this one is, of course, the LED light. It kind of looks the same as the last one, but it just takes the warmth out of it. Now, like I said, I don't really care for it because I have dark marks on my face that are like, they're not bad, but they're like very small in certain spots, and I just don't like that it's pointing that out, in my opinion, because that's what it does. Like it, but it's okay, because you know, sometimes that's just what I need to know. That's what I use really when I am going to be making a video primarily about my skin, so that I can show you guys like all the imperfections. Like if I was to get like real up close and personal in the camera, then you would definitely get a better view and, you know, of my skin and what it really looks like. So, and this is primarily for anyone who has I want to say, you could, if you have very pale skin, or you just really want to, I don't know, kind of highlight the center of your face, then this is the one that's best for you. Guys, my hair looks a mess. It looked fine before I left this morning, but I don't know what's going on. Anywho, it works just fine. Where did I do that? I'm gonna switch it back to the one that I normally use. Alright, so yeah, this is like, for me, I feel like this is the best one yet. I mean, there's also other ones better out there, but if you're just starting out your YouTube channel like I am, it will work. Anything will work, anything will do to kind of give you that quality of a good YouTube video and give you that lighting without having to use the sun, because not all the time is the sun out. And like right now on today, there isn't any sun. Like, I just left from the outdoors and there is no sun. So I just don't know what to do because there's no sun. So therefore I'm not really able to use the sunlight because it's very gloomy outside. So that's where a ring light will really come in hand. Also, like I said before, if you really want to take some good pictures, a ring light is definitely a good way to go. Also the sunlight, because you know that natural glow that you get with the sun that you can't get with the LED lights. It's gonna come with the sunlight, but this also gives you that too. With if you have a gloomy day, nobody will ever know that it's a gloomy day because it looks like you have you've been kissed by the sun. So yeah, and in the video, as you guys saw, you saw the pictures of how it looks at each lighting compared to my skin. I do use all three of them depending on where I am. 1, 2, what I'm doing, and 3, the kind of look I'm going for. So yes, I hope this is very informational to you guys, because it was very helpful for me in figuring this out by myself. It was great. Okay, it was a great journey in figuring out like how to work the ring, how to get it to match perfectly to my skin. Because I'm gonna be honest with you, when I first got my ring light, I just worried about this bright color right here, and I was like, ooh, okay, I can work with this. But then when I started to edit my videos, I was just like, ew, like, is that a pimple? Is that a dark spot? What is that? Like, I could point out all my imperfections. Now, I mean, hey, like, they say, be real, be you, da da da. But at the same time, I mean, I was being real, I was being me, but I just wanted that kind of like smooth look to my skin, and that one didn't give it to me. This one did. And it also gave me the glow that I wanted without highlighting just my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead, because I do have kind of like I have two-tone skin. So in certain areas of my face is darker than others. So yeah, that's where you would get that's where I would just use this warm color to kind of maximize on my lighter tone. But yes, I hope this was very informational to you guys. Drop a comment down below if it really helped, and don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you guys know when I'm posting. Oh my gosh, I did this whole entire video and did not say my intro. Well, it's okay because it's the end of the video. But it's your girl B Michelle. I love you guys so much. I'll see y'all later. Bye.